The following tutorial will demonstrate how to use the Edit Search Map Search function. In the previous video tutorial labeled Search Results Map tab, we showed you a little bit of using the Edit Search Map Search function, using a shape that was drawn on the Full Search Map tab and showing you how to edit it on the Edit Search Map Search. So we're going to show you a little bit more here. So we're starting off with a search here. This is a single family active in Milwaukee County, Wauwatosa Municipality, 2 to 4 bedrooms, minimum 1.5 bath, and minimum 2.5 garage. Alright, so let's say we wanted to edit this search and maybe exclude an area. Okay, let's say your customer is okay with anywhere in Tulsa except for the neighborhood that is directly east and west of 45. They would like to exclude that area. So we can do that. So we'll click on Edit Search and then make sure that you've got Map Search here selected. So what we're going to do first is zoom down on that area that they'd like to exclude. And that's that area on 45 that's between Center and North Avenue. So I'm going to pull that in the middle of my screen, and I'm going to push my scroll wheel forward so I can see the neighborhood that I want to exclude. Alright, so this is Center Street and this is North Avenue. This area that's here that has houses directly across the street, my customer does not want to get in their search. So we're going to exclude that area. So now that I see that area in my view, I'm going to go down here to my toolbox and choose my shape tool. I'm going to choose the rectangle. Then I'm going to start right here and I'm going to single left click. I'm not holding down my mouse button, and come down south to my next border and then out east to my east border. That's the area my customer does not want. So I'm going to save that area by double left clicking to stop the shape. Now, that's the first step. I have drawn the area, the shape over the area that my customer does not want. Now I'm going to exclude that area, and I'm going to come over here into my left side parameter panel. This is where your parameters are. And you see here where it's got shape within, and it's the rectangle. You can see that I'm hovering over it and it's highlighting it on the map here. So when I'm going to click this button, it turns in the intersection. Then I'm going to click it again and turn it to not within. So this is me telling this search anywhere in Tulsa with these parameters, but not within this shape. Now I can even give this shape a label if I'd like to. So if I click here where it says rectangle, it brings up my edit bubble. I'll click on edit and I'm going to call it E/W of 45. Just to let them know that this is excluding that area. Exclusion. And I can give it a color, and I can close it and view my results. So now when I save this customer search, it is saving that map shape along with it. Always remember, your map shapes are a parameter just like your beds, your baths, your price. Okay? Alright, if you wanted to edit the shape to remove it or to resize it, again, I'll go to Edit Search, Map Search. I'm going to zoom up a little bit so I can see where I am here. Alright, there's my shape here. So if I wanted to edit the shape, like if I wanted to resize it, I can single left click inside the shape. I'll zoom down a little bit more. So if you single left click inside the shape, you get an edit link. It's asking the edit here. When I click on edit, I can change the name or the color, or I can edit the shape. When you click on edit shape for any shape, you'll get the handles. On the square, you get them at each corner. I can hold my left mouse button and drag it to where I can resize it to whatever I need to. On the polygon, and I'll show you if I wanted to draw a polygon, I'll just click the polygon and just quickly draw a polygon shape here. To edit a polygon, when you left click in it, the handles are all around the polygon, and you drag whatever handle that you want to resize the side. When you're done, you click Leave Edit Shape Mode. Alright, and then you can view your results, and you can save these shapes to your customer's search, and then when they look in their portal or their email link at the map tab, they'll be able to see these shapes that you've defined. This will conclude our tutorial for using Edit Search Map Search.